Hey friends, this is Atif Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Near Protocol. As in my earlier videos, I have been showing you that Near Protocol has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern on the 7 days time frame chart. And after that, it formed a very massive up channel. And this was one of my old videos. And now if we take a look at the live chart, then you can see that recently we have broken down this very significant support of this up channel. By the way, after the breakout from this wedge, we had a very massive rally from this low to here. You can see that it was almost 741% rally, but the price line could not break out this up channel. And after the rejection by this resistance of the channel, the price line moved down at this support and again dropped down at the support. And now recently we have broken down the support. But there is also another good news that we have a hidden bullish divergence at this chart, because you can see that the stochastic formed this low here, and the next low it is forming lower than the previous one and enter the oversold zone. And at the same time, if we take a look at the price line, then you can see that the price line did not break down this support of $4.30. That is, by the way, a quite long-term support, and still it is not able to form another lower than previous low. In fact, it formed slightly higher low than previous low. And yes, it is possible if the price line breaks down this support and forms another lower than previous low, then this hidden bullish divergence can be removed from the chart. But at this time, we still have this hidden bullish divergence on this chart. Therefore, there is still a probability that the price line may try to break out the next resistance, that is here at $6.10. And in today's video, we will analyze this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Near Protocol that I shared on 21st of May 2024 with my members. And that was a harmonic bullish reversal bad move that Near Protocol formed on a 2-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And by the way, I shared this idea on 21st of May 2024. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price nicely started a very nice reversal from this buying zone. Let me play this chart once again. This was the bad move, and you can see after playing this chart, it nicely moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone here. And then we had a bigger pump as well. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've already shared. Now let me take you to the live chart of Near Protocol, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And you can see that previously for the past several months, it was moving inside this wedge. And I have been telling you that once Near Protocol will be able to break out this long-term resistance of the wedge, then we can expect a very massive rally. And you can see that after the breakout, we had this very massive rally, but formed this bearish bias pattern that was in up channel. And recently, you can see that it has broken down the support of this channel. By the way, you can see that it was also testing the support more than the resistance. Like here, we tested the resistance, got rejection, and 2 more rejections, almost 2 more rejections here. But here, you can see that it was testing the support again and again. And finally, we have broken it down. But after the breakdown, the price line is still not able to form another lower than previous low. In fact, it is forming slightly higher low than previous low. Therefore, there is a hidden bullish divergence on the 7 days time frame chart, because stochastic is forming lower than previous low. It formed this low here and moved down and entered the oversold zone. Therefore, we may see some price correction. In fact, we have seen this very nice bounce from the support. And from this low to here, you can see it was almost 26 or 27% bounce. And therefore, I'm expecting that soon it can also try to break out this next resistance of $6.10 as well. By the way, this previous support of this channel can now work as a very strong resistance for the price line as well. Now, if we take a look at the technical target for this breakout from this wedge, that move is still due, and that target can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately somewhere between $18 to $20. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.